In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Properties tab in AutoCAD. If you've ever wondered where all the detailed settings for your lines, text, dimensions, and blocks live, they're in the Properties tab, also known as the Properties palette. It's the central place where you can view and edit things like color, layer, line weight, line type, text height, hatch scale, and so much more. Enabling it is incredibly quick, and once it's open, it can dramatically speed up how you work. Here's the simple way to bring it up. Look toward the bottom of your AutoCAD window for the command line. This is where you can type commands directly. Click inside the command line so it's active, then type prop. That's P-R-O-P. And press enter. That's it. Typing prop and hitting enter launches the Properties command and opens the Properties palette. When it appears, you'll usually see a panel labeled Properties. Depending on how it was last used, it may show up as a floating window or docked along the left or right side of your screen. If it looks narrow, that's normal. The palette can be resized to show more fields. If it seems like nothing is showing, that often means nothing is selected in your drawing yet. The palette is context-aware, so it updates to show details for whatever you pick. To understand what you're looking at, think of the Properties palette as a live dashboard. When you select an object in your drawing, the palette immediately displays all editable attributes for that object. For example, pick a line and you'll see its layer, color, line type, length, and angle. Select a block and you'll see insertion properties and any dynamic parameters. No selection usually means the palette is ready and waiting, and some global properties may appear. One great benefit of using the Properties palette is precision. Instead of guessing or redrawing, you can type exact values for things like position, rotation, or radius. It's also a reliable way to troubleshoot. If something doesn't look right, select it and check the palette to confirm its layer, plot style, or scale. If you prefer to keep the palette available for constant reference, you can leave it open while you work. It's designed to stay visible without interrupting most commands, and it will always reflect whatever you have highlighted, and that's all there is to it. To enable the Properties tab in AutoCAD, type prop in the command line and press enter. Once it's up, let it be your go-to hub for fine-tuning every element in your drawing.